Hey, George Wickens here, and this is the first video, as you can actually see on the screen right now. It says you want to watch this video before getting started, and this is actually a tour of everything inside Super Affiliate Hacks and how everything is planned out and how you can use it to maximize your profits and everything that I'm going to be showing you with a Super Affiliate Hacks and with your incredible bonuses as well. So as you can actually see straight away on the screen, it says watch this video, which you're watching now, okay? And this here, I'm going to give you like a breakdown tour as well, everything that you're actually going to be getting inside a Super Affiliate Hacks, okay? So as you already know, when you first came in, you had the dashboard there and it had the welcome video. It told you to register for the live coaching call, okay? The live orientation session. If you haven't done that, go and do that right now. We did also do it as well, so you should have been automatically registered for the training that will be happening tomorrow, the day after you've actually bought into this, okay? And remember, it is not probably going to be recorded, so you're going to want to start this live, and we can only have a set amount of people. But anyway, with that being said, obviously we have everything here. So remember, obviously we have support here, which has a video. We actually have live support for you here as well, okay, as you can see here. So as you can see, like, here we go. We have the Super Affiliate Hack models, okay? So this is everything you've got access to on this part here. So we've got the bridge page domination. So we've got the first video here, bridge page 101. This will open up here. How I build bridge pages that sell, earning big with bridge pages, how I shoot six-figure making videos, how to get products for free. This is a good one here. And this one here is bridge page domination. So bridge page domination full breakdown. This actually one here, I actually recorded all these videos here beforehand, and this is like a newer version of this here, and it's a new tactic and everything, strategy and everything I've been using as well, which helped me literally crush it with affiliate marketing and everything here. So that's everything you get in here, okay? And then we have over here how I made over $200,000 for free. We have a full breakdown here. And then inside here, we have email hacks, why email marketing now, how to get in the inbox, your perfect customer and subscriber, how to boost your features and benefits, power of the click and how to maximize profits, the ultimate email format, proven strategies for powerful email content, okay? So this is everything you've got here inside Super Funnel Hacks, okay? And the reason I've done this like this here, because it's going to implement and connect with the bonuses I actually have for you. So as you can see here, I have my Easy Profit Rolodex training video here for you here. This is a gold one, this here. You want to pay attention to this. And obviously I've done this as well, is this video is to actually access my Super Funnel Hero system that I actually previously launched and sold as well. And we actually had at one stage over 25,000 people actually take the system and use it. We're well over 40 something. I think we're like just over 44,000 people now. So the whole point and reason why I gave you access to this system as well is because, like, in here, as you can see, I'm just going to log in quickly because you're going to get access to this here. Let me log in if it lets me. Here we go. So as you can actually see, this is what you're going to be getting access to a system here. So in here, look, again, in here, you're not just getting all the trainings and everything what I did show you in case there. You're getting a ton of training as well in here. Look, all these training videos, affiliate marketing, list building, everything. You're getting all this as well, okay? And trainings from other marketers as well. I previously sold this. You're getting free access to funnels and everything else there, okay? So the whole point of this part here is because what I'm going to be teaching you and sharing with you all the bridge page stuff that you can implement with the system there and offers. You can promote Super Funnel Hero and earn commission to that over $1,000 and every other stuff there, okay? So obviously, like here we have like, okay, bridge pages and everything here. As you can see as well from the other free bonus, is my Super Funnel pages, which you actually, as of recording this, I haven't even released this to the public or anyone else, but you're going to get access to that as well, completely free. So the reason I've done this as well, because you can actually go ahead and build bridge pages. If we do cover the full video there, you can go and build bridge pages, opt-in pages without having to use a funnel builder or anything else there. So everything here is interconnected, okay? So make sure you go through each video and implement everything there, okay? And obviously we have the Facebook millionaire hacks as well. This will appear as, you know, to unlock this, and all the trains here, they are locked unless you purchase this here. And also we have the Super Funnel Hero Masterclass. This I used to actually sell for $1,000, okay? So you can access that as well. If you're watching this thing, oh, I want these as well, just click this and you can purchase this as well and it'll automatically unlock. So that's everything here. So I highly recommend you get started here, you go through these training, then go into your bonus section and everything there, okay? So without further ado, I will leave you now. Go and get dived in. George Wickens out.